everybody, welcome back to Cafeadoniya Academy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time we come on YouTube. So in today's video, we're going to make a meringue kind of a floral decoration. You can call it a meringue cookie, and we're also going to pipe some meringue kisses. So it's very basic ingredients which are needed. We're going to use some egg whites. When you're using egg whites for meringue, just make sure that it's completely, free of even a speck of yolk or any kind of a dirt or anything. And the bowl which you put the egg whites, make sure there is no water or it's, there's no crease and, any kind of a dirt. So it's absolutely clean and, spot free. And we're also using some castor sugar. So castor sugar is nothing but fine granules of sugar. So we're using that. And to beat the meringue, we need either a glass or a steel bowl. Do not use plastic bowl. So what I'm going to do is, first step, I'm going to take a tissue and I have some white vinegar, regular white vinegar with me. I'm just going to take that and wipe my bowl. I'm doing this because I want my bowl to be completely free of any crease or any water. So the vinegar will kind of, dry everything up. And I'm also going to do the same thing with the blades of my hand beater. So make sure, because this is especially important, because usually we use the hand beater for our frostings and creams. So we don't have separate machines for each recipe, right? So no matter how much you clean the beater, you might have a little bit of, buttercream or cream stuck to that, which we don't want while beating our egg whites. I also have a piping bag attached with a 1M nozzle. I have some ice cream sticks. You can use any kind of wooden sticks which you have. And I have some pink food color, because that's what we're going to, that's the color we want. And this is gel based food color. So either use powder or gel based colors. Do not use water, like the liquid colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer our egg whites into our glass or steel bowl, and I'm going to start whipping it for about 1 minute until it's nice and frothy. So once it becomes like this, white and frothy, we're going to start adding our castor sugar little by little. So you don't want to add all of the castor sugar at one time, because you want the egg whites to kind of foam up and froth up little by little. Now once you finished adding all your sugar, it should look like this, like opaque and shiny, but still, if you notice, it's not stiff. So we need to continue beating this on high speed until it gets stiff. Now how long it takes to beat will depend on your, how hot the room is, how humid it is. The more humid room you're working with, it's going to take a longer time. So after about 2 or 3 minutes of beating, depending on how hot and humid your room is, you're going to get peaks like this. It's not going to, when you lift it up and hold it like this, it's going to stand and it's not going to fall off. So at this stage, I'm going to add a few drops of food color. So like I said, make sure you use powder or gel-based food colors only. And first, what I'm going to do is, before I mix this completely, I want a little bit of shading. So I'm just going to take this part where it's shaded and do some decorations with it. So I have a baking tray lined with baking paper. So I have a 1M nozzle. So you can do any patterns you like. So you can either press
just press like this and make some dots.
Or what I want to do is I want to keep this ice cream stick. Whatever stick you're using, make sure it's wooden so that it can go into the oven. And then just pipe these like little flowers. I have another French tip nozzle. So you can pipe different size dots, and I'm going to try one flower with this nozzle as well. Even though this looks better, just thought we'll try.
We just finish this.
Now to the rest of the batter, we'll add some food color. And we'll pipe the same flowers. You can do different sized ones as well, some big, some small. So once this is done, this goes into a very, very low heat oven. Whatever lowest settings you have in your oven, please use that. If some ovens have 60 degrees, some ovens have 100 degrees, so don't go more than 100. And this bakes for about 1 to 1.5 hours. So the bigger cookies, meringue cookies, will take a longer time. The smaller ones will bake faster. So just keep an eye on that. And as much as possible in one tray, try to keep cookies of one side so that so that they bake evenly. But having said that, since we have different sizes, we're going to check this at around 40 minutes. You know it's baked when you lift the cookie and it just comes out clean from the parchment paper. So that way, so this I'm guessing will take about 40 minutes. My oven has about 80 degrees, the lowest, so I'm going to keep on that. So this will take about 30 to 40 minutes, and the bigger ones will take about, I think, 1 hour and 1 hour 20. Okay, so once it's baked, I'll show you how this is going to look. So I had made some earlier, and because it takes a long time to bake, so these are absolutely ready. If you see, they are coming out of our parchment paper beautifully. And if you see, they're nice and hard. Big ones also are ready and they look so cute. So if you make these, do tag us. You can use this on, eat it as is, tie a small ribbon and give it, in your hampers, or you can use this to decorate any cake. So we've decorated a cake with this. So I'm going to post a link to the video. You can watch that. And if you make this, do tag us. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again soon. Bye.